Hey, welcome back, everybody. This is the NETGEAR Nighthawk AX5200 update, and so far it crashed twice. First one is because the modem crashed and it affected the router, so I don't really count that one. So okay, so it crashed once yesterday on Sunday, and it just froze for no apparent reason. I don't know if it updated itself or not, but I didn't really check. But I don't know why it froze, but it did froze. Other than that, the signal is good, the range is good, and so far it's okay. If it crashed a couple of more times, I'm gonna return it. Hopefully it doesn't anymore. Alright, so this is the update for the Nighthawk AX5200. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.